There's something about the perfect lipstick that just pulls an entire look together, isn't there? Today, we're talking about a lipstick that claims to do just that. Rimmel's Lasting Finish Matte Lipstick in the shade Chestnut Rose. It promises intense, all-day color with a unique formula. So let's dive into whether it truly lives up to its claims. First, let's break it down. Rimmel's Lasting Finish Matte Lipstick is designed to provide long-lasting wear with a soft matte, powdery finish. The key ingredient here is a triple blend of ultra-lightweight emollients that make this lipstick glide on smoothly, leaving your lips feeling moisturized while giving you a velvety texture. Now, the formula also features something interesting: pure pigments enhanced with a special ruby powder, diamond powder, amethyst powder, and sapphire powder. These aren't just for show. They're designed to give the lipstick a blur effect, making the lips look more flawless while boosting color impact. I'm sure you're wondering how all these fine gemstones actually affect the performance. Let's talk about that in real-life testing. I used this lipstick throughout a busy day, applying it in the morning and checking back in several hours later. I was pleasantly surprised at how comfortable it felt. It wasn't drying like many matte lipsticks can be. The color intensity stayed pretty consistent with no flaking or excessive fading. The shade Chestnut Rose is a gorgeous mix of neutral and rose tones that flatters most skin tones and works for both daytime and evening looks. However, the wear was not entirely flawless. After a meal, I did notice that it had faded a little in the center of my lips, but there was still enough pigment on the outer edges to keep the look intact. That being said, it didn't feel heavy or cakey, and the smoothness of the application definitely made up for any slight touch-ups that were required. When it comes to texture, this lipstick is very much in line with its claims. It's creamy without feeling greasy or overly slick. You get that matte finish, but it still feels soft and comfortable. It's not the kind of matte lipstick that dries out your lips by midday, which is a huge plus. Now, let's talk about the value for money. At just $5 to $7 for a 0.14 aughts tube, this is definitely in the budget-friendly category for a long-lasting lipstick. Given the unique combination of ruby, diamond, amethyst, and sapphire powders, it feels like you're getting something extra for the price, especially when you factor in the smooth application and wearability. However, if you're looking for something more long-wearing with zero touch-ups needed throughout the day, you might want to consider alternatives like the MAC Retro Matte Lipstick or the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution Lipstick. These are higher-priced options, but they are well known for their longevity and rich color payoff. That said, Rimmel's option holds its own, especially for those on a budget. In terms of packaging, it's pretty standard. A sleek black tube with Rimmel's signature logo, nothing extravagant but functional. The lipstick is easy to apply, and it doesn't feel like it would break apart or be fragile in your purse. When it comes to customer support, Rimmel has generally received positive feedback for addressing customer concerns and inquiries, though I didn't personally have to reach out during this review. As far as updates or reformulations go, this lipstick seems to have maintained its consistency over time, but there's no indication of any recent changes. It's a product that stood the test of time and doesn't seem to be losing its touch anytime soon. For those looking for alternatives, I would say that Maybelline's Superstay Matte Ink is another drugstore option that offers long-wearing, high-impact color. Though it provides a slightly more intense transfer-proof formula, it can feel a bit more drying compared to Rimmel's softer finish. To wrap up, Rimmel's Lasting Finish Matte Lipstick in Chestnut Rose offers great value for money with its soft matte finish, buildable color, and comfortable wear. If you're looking for a lipstick that won't dry out your lips, but still delivers on staying power and color payoff, I think this one is a solid choice, especially at the price point. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this lipstick or any other shades in the Lasting Finish range, drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.